Hey Mount Washington, welcome back to your final summer update of the season. We are sad to see you go, but excited for what's coming up this winter. Season's passes are on sale until the end of this month for early bird rates. Tomorrow we finish up our final 4 of the Gravity mountain bike downhill races. That track is on Hustler for the last of the season, and remember that registration runs out quickly, and so you can come anytime after 2 p.m. to sign up for that race. Coming up this weekend, we have the BC Cup on the Monster Mile, and we are going to chat about that later in this episode, but that event runs Saturday and Sunday, and spectators are encouraged to come up. The Eagle lift will be open for public access all weekend, and it's a great way to spectate as well. Coming up next weekend, on the long weekend, we have the final ladies ride of the weekend. That's Saturday night from 5:30 to 7:30, discounts and beer. I'm gonna head down to the finish corral of Monster Mile to meet up with Kayla and Stephane to chat about what's coming up this week. Hey Kayla, what's going on?
Not a whole lot. We have some new updates to share with you though. As you've likely heard, masks are now mandatory indoors across the province of BC. So when you're here visiting Mount Washington, same. Please make sure you have your mask up when you head into the lodge. When you are here just outside visiting the resort, please maintain your distance. You can have your mask off and keep complying with other protocols.
Okay, so what do these new updates mean for our events then?
Yeah, BC Cup is still going ahead as planned this weekend. Keep your distance as spectators, and some future events we had planned. Our Beerberg Beer Festival is unfortunately going to be postponed until next year. We'll be refunding purchase tickets. We were really excited to get back to the fun of the mountains with you guys, and we can't wait to do so once the timing is right.
Once it's safe.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, thanks for the update, Kayla. I'm gonna head to chat with Stephane about course updates.
Sounds good.
Woo! That's it! Cross the line! Hey, what's up, Rob? I just did a little course preview here for the Stevie Smith Memorial DH race this Sunday. It's pretty exciting out there. Conditions are definitely a little loose and blown out, but some rain tomorrow night might make things a little exciting. But yeah, really good track. The guys have done a really good job. A nice big jump at the end. Yeah, it should be a really good race.
And so Sunday is the big event, but Saturday evening there should be some fun special event competition going on. Do you know anything about that?
That's right, Robin. There is a super fun community event Saturday night. We're going to help put on a little dual slalom race. So for the DH racers, as well as whoever is just hanging around the bottom, come on down, race your buddy, some head-to-head action.
Yeah.
It should be pretty fun, I think.
Yeah, that's a dual slalom race in a round-robin format, so anyone is welcome Saturday night for a 5:30, 6 o'clock start right here at the base of the lodge. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Stay up to date on our socials as we head out of the summer and into the winter season. See you then.